So here I've got this small folding pocket knife here from Arrow. So first off, thank you to the company for sending this out to me to try out. So as you can see, this is a really cool, really small little knife. Great for everyday carry. Put it in your pocket, your purse, and your keychain, so you always have it with you when you need a knife. Having a knife is always a useful thing to have with you for all types of purposes. So this is the little blade here. So just pull it out there. So you can see, really nice small little blade, super sharp. It locks into place there. So you can see it, the size there compared to my hand. So yeah, great for cutting whatever you need. So you can open boxes, peel fruit, whatever you want to do. It's always useful to have a knife. So to close it up, really easy as well. Just push that in there, fold it back up. Carabiner right there, very useful. You can hook it to your keychain there to carry around with you, so you always have it with you, or just slip it in your pocket. But yeah, keychain is a very nice place to put it, so you always have it with you whenever you're driving around. And then this is also a bottle opener, which is really cool. You always need that, so when you are thirsty, you can open that bottle and get a drink. Very nice stainless steel, feels really nice and solid, looks great too. So if you are looking for a really small knife like this, that's going to be super useful to carry around with you all the time, be sure to check this one out.